Good morning, everyone. So, we are again resuming our online classes from 2nd July, that is from today. So, students, before submitting the worksheets on Ursal and before submitting your homework on Ursal, please read the instructions carefully that which worksheet you have to submit and which worksheet will not be submitted. Students, please submit your worksheet on the date given for submission. Your online unit test will also be conducting after few days. So, please start learning also because maybe it is conducting in July only. So, start learning. So, now today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 5, clothes. Clothes are one of our basic need. We wear clothes which suits the weather of that place. We wear different clothes at different times of the day. People living in different areas wear different styles of clothes. The style of clothes also changes according to the fashion. So, clothes are one of our basic need. The other basic needs are food and shelter. We have three basic needs: food, shelter, and clothes. So, as the food is very important for our life, clothes are also important. And we wear different clothes at different times of the day. For example, at home, we used to wear casual dresses. At workplace, people used to wear formal dresses or formal clothes. At school, students used to wear uniform, and at some special occasions, people used to wear traditional dresses. People in different areas wear different styles of clothes. Like people living in western region used to wear western clothes. People living in south region used to wear saris, and people living in Punjab, Chandigarh used to wear Punjabi suits. A very long ago, in ancient times, people used to live in jungle and do not wear clothes. They cover their body with leaves, bark of trees, and skin of animals. Later, they learned to weave clothes, and they also used wool from sheep and goat to make clothes. So, what is the need of clothes? We wear clothes according to occasion and time. We wear school uniform for school, fancy dress for parties, and comfortable clothes at home. So, at different places, we used to wear different type of clothes. We wear clothes for the following reasons. Clothes make us look smart. Clothes protect us from the heat of the sun. Clothes protect us from the intense heat of the sun and makes us look smart and good. We should wear cotton clothes during summer or hot days as they keep us cool. In summer season, we used to wear cotton clothes because cotton clothes keep us cool. And we also used to wear light color clothes in summer. They protect us from dust. Clothes also protect us from the dust present all around us. They also protect us from cold. We wear woolen clothes during winter as they keep us warm. In winter season, we used to wear woolen clothes because woolen clothes keeps us warm. A raincoat protects us from the rain. It is made of waterproof material. As the raincoat is made up of waterproof material, so it protects us from the rain. So in rainy season we use raincoat. Clothes also protect us from insects. Clothes protect our body from insects also. So as the food is one of our basic need, we have to take care of them, and here are some ways by which we can look after our clothes. How to take care of our clothes? Clothes become dirty because of dust and sweat of our bodies. We should wash these clothes by soap, detergent and water. So we should wash our clothes with the help of soap, detergent and water to make them dirt free. Animal fibers like wool and silk are easily attacked by insects, so we should store these clothes well. We can use moth balls and dried neem leaves to protect our clothes from insects. The clothes which are made up of wool and silk are easily attacked by insects. So, while storing these clothes, we must use moth balls which are also called as naphthalene balls, and dried neem leaves which protect the clothes from insects. We should not store wet clothes or clothes containing moisture. Clothes must be dry while storing. We should not store wet clothes because wet clothes contain moisture and the clothes containing moisture spoil very easily. We should dry clean woolen clothes and trousers as they may get spoiled by plain washing. We should not wash the woolen clothes and trousers at home. They must be dry clean because by plain washing they may get spoiled. Types of clothes. There are different types of clothes. First is casual clothes. The clothes which we wear at home are known as casual clothes. Next is formal clothes. The clothes which we wear at workplace, the clothes which we wear at our workplace are called formal clothes. Next is uniform. The clothes worn by school children, policemen, doctor, nurse, postman, etc. are called as uniforms. Next are traditional clothes. Some states have special dresses which are known as traditional dresses or traditional clothes. For example, Punjab is famous for beautiful embroidery called fulkari. So I hope you have understood that why do we need clothes and how can we take care of our clothes. Now let's do an activity based on this topic. So the first activity is name two clothes used in the following season. Number one is summer season. So any two clothes which are used in summer season are cotton shirt or cotton frock. Next is rainy season. So the two clothes which we use in rainy season are raincoats or rain jacket. Next is winter season. The two clothes used in winter season are jackets and shawls. Let's do one more exercise. Here some objects are present and we have to arrange them in groups according to season. First is woolen gloves. Woolen gloves are used in winter season. Next is sweater. Sweaters are also used in winter season. Next is cotton frock. So, cotton clothes are generally used in summer season. Next is cotton socks. So, it also comes under the category of summer season. Woolen socks. Woolen clothes are used in winter season, so it comes under the category of winter season. Woolen socks. Next is raincoat. Raincoat is made up of waterproof material, so it is used in rainy season. Raincoat. This is rainy season. Next is umbrella. It also comes under the category of rainy season. It is used in rain. Next is gumboots. Gumboots are also used in rainy season. So I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you and see you in the next video.